So we talked about some of the answers that have come out of Watch. There must be new questions as well that have come about, or at least uncertainties that have been identified. Or
Yes, that's right. I mean, one thing we did, was to bring together a lot of the hydrological modelling groups. There's a whole range of hydrological models out there in the world. Some run at a very small scale, some run at a big scale. And what we did was set up first an intercomparison of all these models. And actually that was very interesting because it showed considerable spread of the results of these models. Quite shocking when we first saw it. And that was firstly initially useful because it was, if you like, a health check on our hydrological models. But then it also inspired the model developers and the model owners to go back and critically look at their models and try and work out why in many cases that the results weren't looking very good, and so they went away. They put in new processes, for example, to put in dams into the river system to show the flows better, but also looked very critically at how they described the soils, how they described the evaporation and other physical, and how they described the snow melt, for example. And in the more recent comparisons, we've at least seen that range come down somewhat, and also a much better understanding of where these groups need to go to improve their models further.